We are pleased to show you the 2011 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.